Okay, so let's dive into how some everyday waste is becoming an amazing tool to fight climate change. Get this, 100 billion. That's how many nitrile gloves we toss out every single year. Right now, they're mostly burned or buried, which is a huge problem. But what if there's another way? So, we've got this massive waste problem. But that's also where the opportunity for innovation really begins. Okay, so one answer is this process called pyrolysis. Think of it as recycling with super high heat. And here's how it works. Researchers figured out how to turn these gloves into two really key products. It's basically a three-step deal. You prep the gloves, heat them up into a char, then activate it. But the real question is, what can you do with this stuff? Well, the results are pretty amazing. First off, that activated carbon is fantastic at cleaning wastewater, pulling out up to 76% of certain pollutants. Plus, you get this pyrolytic oil, which can actually be used as a low-cost fuel source. Now, cleaning water is already a huge win, but this is where it gets even more interesting. You see, that activated carbon is super porous. That structure makes it perfect for grabbing onto CO2 molecules. And what's really cool is there's a different method being developed, one designed specifically to capture CO2. It actually re-engineers the rubber, creating these little traps that can grab CO2 and then be reused. And all this really shows you the power of thinking about waste in a totally new way. So you're not just ditching plastic waste, you're turning it into a tool to fight carbon emissions. It really makes you wonder, right? What other stuff we throw away could be tomorrow's climate solution?